last video it's 40 degrees and I'm wearing 5 sweatshirts, and today it's 90 degrees and I can wear a t-shirt. I think I can officially say that Omaha weather is as bipolar as my ex-girlfriend. What is up, you guys? It's me, G. Welcome back to another video. So here's what happened today. Keith accidentally fell asleep right before we were supposed to go ride, and I just chugged 2 energy drinks. So I basically had 2 options. The first option was to wake him up, and he's super tired for the entire video, and then I have all this energy to last me for the next 2 weeks, and then it's just kind of a weird video because it's, you know, it doesn't really, that doesn't really fit. Or my second option, which was the option I decided to choose, is to challenge myself to see if I can get all of the filming done by myself today. So I've got to use the drone, the DSLR camera, the GoPros. I even have an extra camera down here. I don't even know if I'm going to use it, but who knows. But part of being a YouTuber is just using what you got, seeing if you can, you know, create better content with it, and that's kind of the objective today. So at this very moment, I am actually going to another lot to see if I can get some cool clips all by myself. And then after that, we might meet up with Jar Jar. It's kind of a weird day today. Just kind of unplanned, I guess, but planned. I don't know, that probably makes no sense. These things don't even wrap around my wrist. You can tell I got them from the dollar store. Interesting. Maybe I shouldn't be riding by myself. All I do is hit dead ends. See, I wonder if I turn this camera around and have it face me. That would be kind of cool. Actually, maybe I should just do it. Let's see, is that a good angle or no? I don't know, whatever. My voice didn't crack. But maybe this will be cool? Or is that just my leg? I'm just practicing, guys. Cut me a break. So today's like the last day I can rep this mini Moto Squad shirt while riding before it gets freezing. Let me know down below if you guys want us to do hoodies. We'll do a limited time hoodie edition. Yeah. Also, who knows? Maybe Keith might wake up and want to ride with us a little bit later. Today is October 3rd. For you guys, it'll be October 4th. And Casper's birthday is on October 6th. He will officially be 2 years old. I swear, your kids grow up so fast. I have to do that because you guys can't see my tears, you know. Let's go straight. I don't think I've gone straight before. So it's right only. Whoops. Nobody saw. Nobody saw. Nobody saw. Neither did you guys. All of you had your eyes closed. It seems like a lot of you guys wanted to see the garage build series that we wanted to kind of put together as well, so that's kind of cool. I know a lot of you were saying not to do a build series because like a lot of other YouTubers are doing that. Trust me, I won't be doing that because I am no mechanic, and if I tried to do that, it would suck. We could do a garage build series, probably not a bike build series, you know. I didn't go too far, did I? That's right. Jesus. I'm having staring contests with dogs in traffic. Maybe I shouldn't be riding by myself. I totally missed my turn. You know, what else is new? Could you guys imagine me actually being really pissed at someone? Fuck you! What is that lady doing driving on her lawn? This place never amazes me. Never seems to amaze me, whatever the saying is. Why am I getting wet? Hey, Scooter Squad! Oh my god! That person in front of me is using that windshield wiper fluid. It's getting all over me, dude. Maybe that's why I was getting wet. Although it kind of helps my visor. Nice. Thank you. Damn, I missed my turn a minute ago. This wasn't even the right turn. Yo, this is a fun road though. You guys should take the wrong turn more often. Aw, how cute. Get a room. There we go. Alright guys, well I finally made it to the lot I was looking for. Let's see if we can... No motorcycles, ATVs, or Groms allowed. Alright, well guys, the lot I was going to use, I don't think I can use anymore. So we are actually just going to see if this lot... You know what? This lot should work. Alright guys, well I'm going to do like a little wheelie montage. And I'm going to try to see if I can film it all on my own. So let's see if we can do it. What do you say we get started? not Fooligan.
Do you know him?
I do know Fooligan. He's okay.
Can I record you doing some wheelies?
Yeah, if you want.
Come on.
Do you know who Gromie Bear is?
No, but I should check you out on YouTube.
Yeah, look me up on YouTube, man. Gromie Bear.
Gromie Bear.
Yes, sir.
I'll do it as soon as I get home.
Sounds good, bro.
Put a big one on here.
All right. What a perfect time to throw the shade right back at you, Foolie.
Is the loneliest number that you'll ever do. Two can be as bad as one. It's the loneliest number since the number one. One is the loneliest number that you'll ever do. Two can be as bad as one. It's the loneliest number since the number one. One is the loneliest number that you'll ever do. Two can be as bad as one. It's the loneliest number since the number one.
Woo! All right, guys, that had to have been the biggest mess of my entire life. It is so freaking windy right now. The wind literally pushed my drone into the middle of the street at one point, and that's when I decided to put it away before I actually break it. But I tried my best. I did like literally the best I could with what I got, so hopefully you guys still enjoyed that. And hopefully I can do this way more often, because the more practice I get doing it by myself, the better it's gonna get. Oh my god, it's so windy! But anyways, guys, I got a call from Keith. He said he wants to ride, so we're gonna go meet up with him, and I'm just gonna skip to when we get to there, or get to that point. So let's do it. There we go, guys. We got Keith, Chief. Keith, how was your nap?
Oh, dude, it was so nice.
I bet, bro.
I got home and you were like, all right, well, I'm going to do a couple sticker orders real quick. So I just laid down, and then I woke up like an hour later and your helmet was gone, and I was like,
I knew you were going to be so confused.
I did not mean to fall asleep. That was a total accident. So it is like mad windy.
So windy, bro. You should have seen me trying to film that entire wheelie session. It was horrible, bro.
I like got pushed into the other lane from the wind earlier. Like, it is that bad.
It is really bad. But anyways, guys, right now we're gonna go meet up with the other riders. I think they're on they're at a car meet on like 140th, so we're gonna head that way, and hopefully we can get there before they leave. But it should be a fun adventure. It's definitely getting a lot darker way faster than I thought, but as long as it doesn't get cold, like I don't care. Oh my god, it's so windy, bro.
That was like seriously scary.
Yeah.
I thought I was gonna like lift off into the air. Spikes are not heavy.
Bro, I wonder if we go fast enough, if we will take off.
Please, no. I just see a little hand waving. You still going?
Kids are funny. Maybe we like kids so much because we are kids. Wait, maybe kids like us so much because we are kids.
Yeah,
that's what I meant to say. Yeah. Oh, so we're meeting them at a taco place.
Well, isn't that where the car meets at?
It is, but tacos.
Well, I didn't realize that there were going to be tacos there until just now. I thought we were going for cars, well, not tacos.
Oh, you're probably going to be the one in the taco shop.
No, I've been so good about eating. I had 2 granola bars today.
And 2 tacos.
And about to have some tacos. Wait, no.
You're like one of those wind guys today.
It was stupid of me to even put the drone up. Is that a Grom? It is. Hey!
Alright, you were saying something about you being stupid?
Come on, bro. Cutie to your right.
Oh, you said cutie. I thought you said Keith to the right.
Oh, no.
Oh, here. Okay, I'm going.
Alright, same.
Did she make it?
No, dang it. We should have stopped. What a mess.
Just like today.
Yeah. If you guys want to freeze as much as we do in the winter, be sure to grab your mini Moto Squad t-shirts. We're actually going to start some sweatshirt ones. So.
Oh, mini Moto Squad sweatshirts?
Yeah. How
Nice.
about some limited time mini Moto Squad sweatshirts?
I dig that.
Me too.
It just dropped like 30 degrees in the last hour.
That's not even possible, dude. I told you the weather's as bipolar as my ex-girlfriend.
Oh my god. This thing is so stealthy. Like, I can't even hear it. I'm on it.
Must be nice because people can still hear me try to shift into 5th gear.
Correct.
One day I'll add an extra gear. really think it works like that.
I don't think so. Just gonna hot glue gun a gear onto the side of your bike. I woke up from a nap, super thirsty, chugged an entire bottle of water, and I'm totally regretting that right now.
Imagine you like puke in your helmet.
Okay, well, I don't think that's gonna happen. Might like piss myself though.
just make sure I'm not behind you, bro. No, come on. I don't want it to be like that cow incident we had. I have goosebumps. That's how good this video must be.
Okay.
No? Oh my god! It's fucking windy, dude.
Frickin'
I'm about to fight this wind.
frickin' windy.
Alright, we're looking for tacos. Keith, you lead. You'll find
Okay.
it.
I looked at pizza machine. Forgot that place existed.
No, Keith, we're not looking for pizza. We're looking for tacos.
Right. Stay focused. Okay.
Alright, maybe it is over there, dude. By that Hobby Lobby. It has to be. Let's go over there.
Okay, hold on. I gotta come. Oh, nice. Check this out. Ooh.
Nice. Shortcut.
Shout out to the Grom Life.
Yeah.
Let's go. We found it, bro.
Oh, we did.
Dang, I got some cool cars here. Hello, everyone. What's up, guys?
What up, dog?
Are you guys having a thumb war over there?
I don't know, man.
What's up? It's freezing. Alright guys, well we just got to the meet. I think we're just gonna chill for a little bit and hang out with some of these guys because it's been a while since I've seen a lot of them, so we'll be right back.
One is the loneliest number that you'll ever do.
Alright guys, well if you thought I was a mess earlier, I literally forgot my camera. Later guys. I forgot my camera in the wheelie lot, so I have to go pick that up. But we have to stop at our house first because it's gonna be way too cold to get all the way back down there. But we figured this would probably be a good place to end today's video so we can go pick that up. Again, sorry that today's video was just such a mess. It was just I was just completely unaware of how windy it was gonna be and Keith falling asleep. It was just kind of all unplanned. But hopefully you guys still enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you hit that like button. If you guys want to see more, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell as well. Join the Most Lit Squad on YouTube, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.
One is the loneliest number that you'll ever do. Two can be as bad as one. It's the loneliest number since the number one. One is the loneliest number that you'll ever do.
Dude, somebody showed me this picture yesterday. It was like a Hello Kitty face, but it was on a boob, so it was like a Hello Titty face.